Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. Sunday, September the 30th, the year 2018. Let's talk trading. Weekly open and gap. It's the end of the month here, but some places it's already started the new month. And we want to have stellar, excellent, flawless money and risk management for the month of October, right? Okay, so you can see here on my trading platform, it's already showing the new month. And we opened the month in the previous month's upper wick zone. But we're really looking at the weekly open and gap here. You can see we've got some gaps that have happened. And the euro yen is still an open gap. There's a lot of open gaps for you to take advantage of. You can see this. We've got a big wick zone here. This is almost a doji. Big wick zone here. So weekly wick zone should be interesting this week. See which way does it come out, one end or the other. On the daily, you can see once again, we are in that upper wick zone from the previous daily session. We're just, what, about 3-4 hours into the trading day, so we really don't have much of a range yet here on a Sunday, early Monday. We've got the pivot, a pivot fade right here. You could see that should have been a scratch trade, and that's about it. I've looked to take out that pivot. Once again, early in the day, 19 pip. You can see the zones, no rat zones. We've got the weekly pivot, 132.05, 9, 132.06 rounded up. You can see we already took out the weekly pivot. Daily pivot, 131.79, looking to fill that daily pivot. You can see right there we need to fill it. Right now, I was thinking, I call it Randy Real Time. Maybe since it's Harry Hindsight, maybe it should be Larry Live. So you see we've got a trade here, 2 ball at the top, red at the line, a Larry Live trade, right? Randy Real Time. Okay, we haven't touched any of the previous daily session lines with the H1 candle, so still waiting for one of those trades to pop open. Once again, we're in the upper daily wick zone here. So looking for price to come out. But once again, you can see the previous day was pretty much all wicks. Holo trade right now. Another Larry Live trade right here coming out of that holo zone. And this shows that nice gap right there. And the inventory reduction bars, you can see we put in a long trigger here. It's already hit twice. Short trigger during this M15 candle. It's already, what, maybe up a pip right here if you took that Larry Live trade. Previous daily, weekly, monthly, open, high, and low. You see here that weekly open from before. There was a short and a long opportunity. Oh, for those of you wondering what these purple dots are, that's the previous candle midpoint dots. And I just opened the platform, as you can see here. Not much going on a Sunday evening here. We could probably do a refresh here. We can switch time frames. We can open up that indicator there. Why'd I hit save? Click OK. Maybe go back to the 1 minute. And it looks like a nice push right here. A nice push. Scrunch up to 1 minute. Very nice push. But a candle that big, look for price to come back down here. So that's it, but let me just show. Once again, traders, we've got plenty of open gaps, gaps that need to be filled. So remember, usually at the end of the week, it's usually all filled, maybe one, maybe two haven't. So don't say I didn't tell you about it. So that's pretty much it. I don't think there's any questions out there that need to be answered. If there are, let me know. But we're starting off the month here. So just remember, this month, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. Let's have a great month of draining the bank.